Hello guys, welcome to another piano lesson on this E series E473. And so today I'll be teaching you how to set voices for seben, praise, dombolo and all the like. So I'm going to be using two voices here to for the right hand, all right, or just one, because I can dual two voices. That's the classical guitar and the octave, and I just use solo line, all right. So I'm going to show you guys. So I'll just first of all choose my voice. I'm going to dual. Okay, so the first voice I'm going to choose, I'll choose classical guitar, right? So if I go change it, okay, go to classical guitar number 73. Okay, number 73 is classical guitar. I'm going to dual this voice with another voice, octave guitar. All right, so to dual, like I showed you in my first video, we can just press function here, we select dual, or we just come and hold the shift, okay, hold the shift button, then we press dual, all right, to access this dual voice. So the shift button will access it. So when we come here, we'll see that the dual voice there is already strings, okay. So if I just press on dual, okay, see, you get, okay, you get the strings there. All right, now, so I'll off with the dual. Now, so I'll change it to 82, which will give me 82 will give me octave guitar. So if I go down to 82, where are you? Where are you? 82, right? That's octave guitar. So when I just, this is it without the dual. Okay, when I dual it, you will not really get it. Now I'll have to increase the dual volume. So I'll just come and press on function here. Okay, if I press on function there, okay, now I see dual voice, dual octave, dual volume. So I just take enter. When I take enter, right, is the volume is 45. I have to increase it. So if I increase it up to 95, okay. Okay, that's our dual. That's for the right hand, okay. So now what I'll do, I'll work on the left hand. Now the left hand, we have to use solo lead. So the voice there is 630. So I'll just come on split. Okay, I'll press, okay, split there. First of all, take not split, I'll use shift and take split. Okay, so if I do that, okay, you'll see that the split volume, the split voice there is finger bars, right? So if I take split, okay, you get it, okay. All right, so what I'll do, I'll change it. So I'll change it to solo line, which is 630, okay. So I'll come to this my dial button, I'll increase very fast, or I could just write the number. Okay, so I just prefer this one. So 630. So this 630, guys. Okay, 630, that's solo lead. Okay, okay, I can just come on function. All right, function, I can split voice, split volume, I take enter. Okay, I can increase the volume a bit. Okay, you get the volume. Okay, that's the volume, guys. If you can allow it there, or you increase a bit. All right, guys, so that's it. So now you have to go to split point. All right, split point now will help you to be able to know where you'll be using your left hand, where you'll be using your right hand. So now I will look for the split point. Okay, guys, let's look for a split point. Okay, so I'm going to look for the split point. All right, that's the split point. So when you take it, you take enter. So if I take enter now, you see where when I'll see where it is, it's around this place. Okay, so on the screen there, if I'm moving it, you see I'll be moving. All right, see, it's moving, it's moving. All right, all right. So yeah, so I'll allow it at that C3. If you look at C3 there, that's where the split point is. Okay, so when I'm moving, you see I'll be moving. See, it's moving, it's moving. So I'll allow it at C3 there. Okay, guys. So this voice here is here. Yeah. So guys, the other thing that we now have to put there, we can add harmony. All right, that's what we can add there. We can add harmony. So if I press harmony here, okay, so I will just come to function here. I come to function. So when I come to function, I select. When I take enter, I'll select to see harmony. All right, there we see harmony and arpeggio, just as it is here. So what I'll do, I'll just take enter. Okay, if I take enter, okay, I'll see that. So when I come there, I have so many of them. So I'm going to look for echo. Okay, echo number, okay, from number 21. Okay, 21, I can use this 21, guys. Okay, so if I just press on harmony now to activate it, okay, if I press on harmony, you see that it's not there on the screen. If you look well carefully, it's not there. Now if I press harmony, okay, just that my screen is blurred, it's already there on the screen. So all right, you get how the sound is. All right, all right, guys, so with this you are ready to play. Okay, so if I remove the harmony here, now with the harmony, so guys, so with that said, we can be able to play our dombolo, seben, all the light. All right, all right, guys, so please do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.